Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to install Grammarly on a laptop. First of all, open the web browser. Here, search Grammarly. Click on Grammarly for your desktop site. When the site opens, click on the Get Grammarly, it's free. The sign up form appears. Then click on Agree and sign up. It will ask for the name. Enter your name. Now click on Agree and sign up. If it won't sign up this way, click on the Sign Up Apple option. Enter your Apple ID as password. Then click on the Sign In button. After that, click on the Continue button. Now you have signed successfully. Then click on Apps from its dashboard. Click to install Grammarly for Mac. Wait for it to download. Minimize this tab. Now the Grammarly installer box appears. Click on its icon. After that, click on the Open button. So now the Grammarly is open on your laptop. Click on the Grant Access button. Now you can see the Grammarly icon in the toolbar. You can also see Grammarly in apps. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.